In this video, I will show you the benefits of drinking baking soda and water together. Before going into the details, if have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release a new video. Baking soda and water. Baking soda and water are a great combination to fix a lot of problems we daily face. We will go through the list one by one and see what the benefits of baking soda and water are. Baking soda is more than just a cake-raising ingredient. It has various health and beauty benefits attributed to it. One of the biggest benefits is that it is known to counter acid reflux, thanks to its alkaline properties. It helps neutralize stomach acids and provides relief from indigestion in adults. Most health experts swear by mixing baking soda with water, which is also a great source of relieving heartburn, of course in limited quantity. How does baking soda water really help the body heal such conditions? How is baking soda water made at home? We unveil it all. Baking soda tends to break down into sodium ions in the body, an electrolyte that tends to have powerful effects. However, consuming excessive amounts of baking soda can hamper the activity of your muscles, brain and heart. Benefit 1. Makes an excellent antacid. Acid reflux is a condition where there is a backflow of stomach acid in the esophagus, that causes heartburn and a burning sensation in the throat, further leading to acid indigestion. Baking soda water helps neutralize the excessive hydrochloric acid in the stomach, acting as an antacid. Benefit 2. Reduces inflammation. Baking soda helps reduce inflammation that further prevents the development of arthritis that affects mostly joints. It is due to the accumulation of uric acid in the joints. Baking soda helps raise the pH levels to alkalize the blood, preventing deposition in joints. Benefit 3. Alkalizes the body. Body system works well when there is an optimum pH level balance. However, any imbalance in these levels may lead to severe health conditions. Our body needs acid for proper digestion of food. There are times when acid increases in the body that causes the imbalance, causing diseases like arthritis, osteoporosis and in some cases cancer. Baking soda water comes as a rescuer in balancing and regulating the acid in the body by alkalizing it. Benefit 4. A digestive cleanser. Baking soda water provides amazing benefits for cleansing your gut, further balancing your pH levels. For all those dealing with digestive issues can easily try drinking this potion. Make sure you drink baking soda water under strict supervision. Benefit 5. May help prevent kidney stones. Iron deficiency, excessive acid and even dehydration in the body can cause the growth of kidney stones. The baking soda water helps alkalize the urine to dissolve the uric acid, which in turn helps to remove kidney stones, further restoring the pH levels of the body. Benefit 6. May help save you from UTI or urinary tract infection. Poor hygiene, pregnancy or even certain medications may result in developing urinary tract infection. It is the result of bacteria growing easily in the bladder. The antiseptic properties of baking soda help reduce the acid levels in the urine and combat the bacteria. If you like our video, please click on the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and like our video. Thank you. I wish you a safe, healthy and wealthy life.